After 6 months of winter and enjoying all the creature comforts of living in a home, we are beyond excited to get back into van life and spend the next 6 months enjoying all that comes with living life on the road. We are moving back into the van in less than 2 weeks and definitely got a lot to do over the next few days. While we do have a whole to-do list, we're just going to start off with a full deep clean of the van. While Dayne continued working on the van, I made us some lunch.
Oh,
Here you go.
Oh, thanks.
Pasta.
Ooh, ain't gonna miss. Beer.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Oh, we did a big clean of the van. Looking pretty nice. And then fixed drawers, check. Rewrote gray water, check.
One big thing we forgot to put on the list was getting our tires changed. I just dropped Dayne off at work and I'm actually going to spend the rest of the day just repainting the inside of the van. It's been just about 3 years since the initial build, so there's just a little bit of wear and tear, and kind of thought it'd be a good time to do a little refresh on the inside. And yeah, today is a beautiful sunny spring day, so I think it'll be nice to just kind of hang out in Luna and get things done. Realized that I don't have all the paintbrushes that I need for today's project, so I'm just doing a super quick drive down to Home Hardware. I'll probably pick up a coffee and function, and yeah, then hopefully start being productive. Okay, let's go home. Always tell people that I loved the process of the build just as much as actually traveling in the van, and so this is it's really kind of nostalgic for me. The last few days have just been us packing and moving things into storage, and tomorrow we are officially out of the house. We are just running around picking up some parts for a new little addition to the van, and I'm so excited! Ready to build something really special. Still going.
It's going. Slowly.
The reality of van life is that the outdoors is our backyard and it's now raining. A little bit later, the rain stopped and we were actually able to get back outside and keep working. Can you guess what we're building yet? Aw, hello. Hi, buddy. Who do you belong to? You're cute.
Door there.
Oh, it's gonna be so cute. Good work. While Dayne continues to work on our special little project, I'm going to tackle the doormat. I used to have a cute little hello mat, and over time there's just wear and tear. The paint completely disappeared, so I'm gonna give it a go.
Get the doggo, Dayne. Get the doggo, Dayne.
Get the doggo.